my name is Carmela Lim, and I'm a product marketing manager for partnerships at Infobip. So in fact, there was a McKinsey survey that found that the COVID-19 pandemic significantly accelerated digital transformation and really sped up changes in processes within businesses and enterprises. And one area in particular that was impacted was customer relations. So there's been a dramatic shift toward digitized customer interactions, or what we call customer experience. And before the pandemic, digital transformation was not really a priority for majority of the companies. But what they found in this survey is that they've seen huge jumps in digitization in industries like healthcare and financial services and professional services. So technology definitely played and still play a huge role in terms of how the world is responding to the pandemic. So technology partnerships are essentially two or sometimes more tech companies, each with their own core expertise. They come together with the same objectives and they build a unique solution that solves a particular customer problem that's out there in the market. And this new solution that they build extends the value or capabilities of each of their products together. So with that said, having a technology partner or technology partners can actually help in three ways. So number one, partnering increases your capacity to scale, and it accelerates your ability to quickly respond to this, as I mentioned, rapidly changing technology landscape. It's very rare these days for one tech partner or one tech company actually to solve all customer pain points all alone. So you have your own competitive differentiator, and you can actually leverage the complementing specialization of other partners or other tech companies to fill gaps and solve customer pain points that exist in the market. Also, by coming together and partnering, you do expand your product capabilities and you're able to deliver value to your customers, and even also new customers, which essentially translates into higher retention rates and higher customer lifetime value, which we all want as companies, right? And all this means that you grow your business and you ultimately increase your revenue. So you create new revenue streams, and then you tap into the potential of a growing market that you've essentially built by partnering and then creating the solution to solve a customer pain point and problem. So three main things. The one is that it all boils down to the customer, right? You need to be able to identify a customer pain point that's out there in the market that you want to solve, and everything else stems from that, right? And so the number one criteria is that you have a clear differentiating or a value add that you will create if you partner with someone. The second criteria is identifying the right business model. So at the end of the day, we want to make sure that the partnership is beneficial. And so you need to understand how will we, recognize revenue, and how would it be beneficial both for you and for your partner. And then last but not the least is having the right resources. Partnerships is all about relationships. So you need to make sure that you have a dedicated resource to invest and make sure that you actually have a good relationship. It's all about people to people, right? So you have a dedicated resource to make sure that you are actually aligned with your partner, that you're in constant communication with your partner, and that your business goals are that you're rowing toward the same goal and the same with the same team. And so those are the top three qualities that you would want to look for if you're searching for a partner. So Microsoft is a leader in cloud with Azure, and Infobip is a global leader in omni-channel communications. So together as partners, we built a whole slew of communication solutions and offerings, and one of which is our CPaaS, WhatsApp Business, that is hosted on Azure and is also available on MSBot Framework. So when the pandemic hit, we actually successfully helped a customer, MediClinic, which is an international hospital group. This one is based in South Africa, to massively reduce bottlenecks during check-ins while um, simultaneously improving safety for their patients and for everyone through the WhatsApp business on Azure, on Microsoft Azure and MSBot Framework solution that we built with Microsoft. So the solution has really helped South African citizens and hospital users to gain access to healthcare facilities safely, during COVID-19 and up to now. So today, actually, we're proud to say that about 60% of visitors who enter the MediClinic facilities use the channel to gain access. So this is just one of the great examples of partners coming together, each with their own core specializations to build a solution that creates positive outcomes and life-changing digital interactions in an industry that requires strict security, data protection, and data privacy.